In today's video, we're gonna make a crispy chicken wrap. I'm gonna show you my tips and tricks to keeping it fresh for lunch inside the lunchbox for hours. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas and my family's favorite meals. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button because you and I get to make a couple of these awesome recipes a few times a week. For the crispy chicken wrap, we're gonna use chicken strips. I cook these in the air fryer to perfection. You could make them right now, let them cool off, or use leftover ones from dinner. So first things first, we're gonna start with a large tortilla for the wrap. Use your favorite, and then you can use ranch or honey mustard. Let me know in the comments if you're a ranch person with your chicken strips or a honey mustard. Both pair great with them. I'm gonna take some of that ranch and spread it on the tortilla. That's gonna be the glue that holds the lettuce and all the other ingredients together. On top of that, I'm going to place some lettuce. For this wrap, I'm going to put most of my ingredients in the middle of the wrap since I'm going to take my chicken strips and place them right in the middle. You can also slice your chicken strips and place them like this along the middle of your wrap. That way, every time you take a bite, you get a piece. You can use a Roma or a large tomato for your wrap, or here I have cherry tomatoes, which I'm simply going to slice and place them on top of my chicken. One quick tip when making wraps like this is to leave some room along the sides. That way you can fold your wrap and tuck everything nicely. First things first, you're going to fold in the sides and then grab the back of your tortilla and fold it over your wrap and tuck it tightly as you wrap it up. By the way, if you find tips like that helpful to make sure your wraps don't fall apart, give me a thumbs up so I know to always include them on my videos for you. In this lunch container, I've already added some strawberries in one compartment and some baby carrots in the other. All I have to do is slice my wrap in half. Check out the inside of the wrap, how good it looks, and pack it inside of the container nice and tightly so nothing falls out. In a separate small lidded container, I'm gonna add a bit more of my homemade ranch dressing, put a lid on it so nothing spills, and then add it on the side. Place the lid on your lunch container. You can make this wrap overnight and keep it in the fridge, and in the morning, pull it out. I also recommend adding a couple of ice packs inside of your lunch bag to keep everything chilled. You can put that lunch in there, that extra dressing in a small container, and zip it up. If you love school lunch ideas like this one that keep you full, check out this next video and see you next time.